So this is the Ian Constable Lecture, and tonight it's very special because we are celebrating 50 years of Professor Constable's appointment at UWA. These award lectures are always presented by really exciting people, and tonight is Professor Ian Meredith, who will be speaking about his career in MedTech and innovation. So always a good experience to come along and hear about someone who's done or contributed profoundly to science.
What we discussed tonight was that the global population is ageing and the global population is growing, and because medical technologies have advanced, as we're ageing and getting older, we have an increasing burden of what's called non-communicable diseases. So people are living longer, but living longer with diseases, and it's creating more disability. So what are the solutions that we could actually put in place to overcome this growing burden of non-communicable diseases in older people?
Look, we've just had such a fantastic evening tonight hearing from Professor Ian Meredith. He's laid down the challenge of global burden of disease, of the ageing population and chronic disease, put the challenge down to resource allocators, to health system purchasers, to supply chain managers, and underscore just how vulnerable a lot of the great work that goes on in our health system is because of things like lack of domestic production of the key inputs to the great medicine done in Australia.
I thought it was a very exciting presentation on the role of MedTech going into the future and the need for MedTech to be really, really accessible, really simply developed and available to everybody.
I thought it was fantastic. It exceeded my expectations. I learnt a lot, and it actually made me think about what I'm doing and what we're doing at the Lions and how we could do things differently.
Very, very interesting was the rise of diseases and the type of diseases and where we need to focus our energies on MedTech.
The takeaway is just to really understand the research and innovation and the exciting things to help the people of Australia with the issues they're having, and to find new treatments and to utilize technology and to utilize great research that's happening here to be able to help them in their day-to-day lives.